Hi.
Hi, how are
Hi.
you?
How are you?
I'm well, and you?
I'm good. So I'm in a good mood.
Okay, great. So, and
Mm.
you look sunny. You look stunning.
Hmm?
You look stunning.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
And how long have you
Little.
been working on Cambly?
I have been on Cambly. Oh my gosh, how long have I been on Cambly?
About 1 month.
Been more than a month. Since maybe just before, no, around Christmas, so a few months.
Oh, okay, few months. Oh, and I have been
Yeah.
using Cambly over 6 months, and it is really wonderful platform to me. And
Yeah.
suddenly your profile pop up, then I click, then I have a chat, and I was so impressed with your profile video, because
Oh.
you said that let's start silly. That is really awesome.
Yeah. I just English learning can always be like, I always notice it's always very, very serious.
Yes.
And it's nice to kind of try and make things a bit more interesting. So
Yeah, that's the perfect thing. And what else you do?
What do I do?
Yes, without
I am a student.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I'm doing my master's at the moment.
Okay. And yes, I am pursuing bachelor degree.
Okay. What do you study?
Yeah, I am an engineering. I am an engineer, and I study electronics and communication engineering.
Okay, right. Wow. Okay. So do you enjoy it?
Yeah, kind of. I like technology, so that's why I switched to this option.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm never find people who do technology very impressive. So. I'm terrible at it. So.
Where do you live actually now?
Yeah, I live in the UK at the moment, and I live in a city called York.
York.
Okay. Yeah, have you heard of it?
No. I heard about the first time.
So York is one of the oldest cities in the UK.
Oh, I see. Wow. So it's a heritage.
It's got lots of history. It's really, really pretty. Yeah.
Okay. Do you live with your family, or do you live alone, or
alone in this room?
Really beautiful.
Yeah.
Room. Oh, beautiful. It is your room, right? Oh, great.
Yeah. This is. It's because I'm a student. I live in a student accommodation. So.
Okay. And
so what about you?
Yeah, I live with my uncle and aunts, as well as elder uncle and elder aunts, and also with my grandmother.
Wow, so you live with a lot of people. How is that?
Yeah, they are very well, and my grandmother is 75.
Oh, okay. Well, my grandmother is 88.
Oh my gosh.
I think. I can't remember. That's terrible that I can't remember. But yeah.
Your education.
Yeah.
What do you study? What is?
So I study linguistics for English language teaching.
Fantastic. And can you share what is the difficulty one can face during learning a new language?
The main difficulty with learning a new language, I think, is confidence. The confidence to try things even if you feel a bit not sure. I think it's very difficult to learn. Like I always believe like you fake it till you make it with confidence. So personally, I'm not a very confident person, but I find that if I pretend I am, I can get more things done. So, and that works with my language learning as well, because I'm learning a new language as well. So, yeah, I think that really helps with teaching as well. Yeah.
And yeah, one thing I am facing that at the first time, everybody wants to impress, but not to express. So that I think that maybe it may be difficult to express at the first time.
To like use the right words.
Yes. And sometimes I'm getting stuck. The right words does not come in the right situation.
No, I know that with English, because we have so many words that mean similar things. Sometimes I know, especially for people who write like academic essays and things, sometimes they use the wrong words and I'll be reading it and it's like, oh no, that's not what you mean, no. Yeah, it's difficult for me as well. Like it's so many words for so many things. It is difficult. Yeah. So I wouldn't worry about that. I think everybody has that issue.
Yes, the past. But perfect. So I believe practice.
Sorry, the connection's a little bit slow, so if I'm not reacting in time, I do apologize. But,
problem.
Okay, so what are you practicing English for?
Nowadays, I switch to Cambly, and on the other hand, I chat with my friends and also with my family members in English so that I can improve my spoken English. And
okay.
This is the effort I am doing now. And besides this, I love painting.
Okay. So, do you have any paintings to hand that I can see?
No, it is far away from me, but next I will be prepared for that.
Okay, yeah, that was a bit sudden, but yeah, okay. So why do you paint?
Yeah, actually, painting is my passion. So, and on the other hand, I love to make filming videos, and also I love making videos on YouTube. That's why I have been uploading videos from since last year, and now almost 1 year will be completed in coming month.
I had a look at your YouTube. It looked really cool. So, yeah.
Oh, thank you thank you so much.
Yeah, they're very nicely put together videos of tutors. Like you didn't make anyone look so, it was nice. Yeah. Yeah.